Hey y'all, it's your girl SHEA. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I make my DIY aloe vera juice or leave-in treatment for massive hair growth. I am starting off with an aloe vera leaf and I am cutting that in half because I only like to use a half at a time. I don't like to make this in excess, so I make enough to last me for 1 week. So right now I'm just going to be cutting both sides of the aloe vera plant, and then I'm going to be cutting it into pieces to make it easier for me to extract that aloe vera gel, because that is what we are going to be using to make the DIY aloe vera leave-in.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So now that I'm done extracting the aloe vera gel, I am going to blend it with my NutriBullet. So right here, I am just transferring that aloe vera gel from my bowl to the container for the NutriBullet. So I blended the gel for about 30 seconds until it was completely liquefied.
Moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
So now it is time to strain the aloe vera juice. I know some people use a stocking cap, but I prefer to use a strainer. It is much easier for me and it's less of a mess. So that is what I do.
Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So now it is time to add my oils. You can use any oils that you want. These are the 3 that I wanted to use for this particular mixture. So I am going to be doing 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. And then I am going to proceed to do 1 tablespoon of argan oil. And then I am going to do about 1 tablespoon of castor oil.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need.
So I don't like the foam that's on top of the aloe vera juice, so I always use a spoon to just get rid of that. As you can see now, it is nice and clear, and that is what I like to see. So I transferred the aloe vera juice into a measuring cup just to make it easier to pour into my spray bottle.
Blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need.
guys, so I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys how my mini twists are holding up, and also how I used my DIY aloe vera leave-in. So it's been about a week since I've had these mini twists in, and the only reason why I kept them in is because I told you guys that I was going to keep them in for about 5 to 7 days, and a couple of y'all was like, sis, you need to keep that in for 2 weeks to a month. So I'm like, you know what, let me try to stretch it a little bit more, but it still looks really good. And these are super convenient, y'all, especially when I'm working out. Like, it's legit the best hairstyle to have. So yeah, y'all, it looks pretty good. Still nice, still soft. It still has a lot of length. It was a little bit on the stringy side when I first got it done, but as you can see, it looks nice and full now. So yeah, I am absolutely loving it. So right here is my DIY aloe vera leave-in. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Nothing too fancy, but this has been really a big part of my hair growth. A lot of you guys know I cut my hair, I think it was about 8 months ago, and my hair has grown so much. So yeah, this is what I use whenever I have a protective style. And I just go in, y'all, and you just miss my hair. Nothing too fancy.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy, it's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around but
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions about the aloe vera treatment or my mini twist, go ahead and leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family, and also turn on your post notifications. I do post Sundays, Thursdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man